So when I puncture the first node, I do it with hand drill, because I want to keep that node relatively intact. Okay. So this hand drill has a little screw at the end. I don't know where you can get these except in Japan, but it has a little screw so it can catch into the node quite easily. You just a little pressure and you just have to twist, and you can control how big the opening gets. It's amazing. It's really nice. Easy. So they're already opened up the first node. So the next ones, I already opened with the bottom one, and now I'm gonna open up the middle ones with a bigger. There's a longer hand drill. You see? Carefully taking out the nose. Because the nodes, you want to keep, especially when you're making a Jinashi Shakuhachi, you want the nodes to be intact to control the pitch. You can hear it when the node gets punctured. So the second node has already done. Now the next one. You can hear it. Oh yeah. Good sound. And the bottom. Okay, so there's one more node, it's this big one, that will require a little bit more extra help. So let's determine actually if that is in fact the one. Yeah. So I'm going to go outside and use some extra help. So now I'm going to put my piece of bamboo on my vise here. Like so. Then I have my drill. So I'm going to, this is a extremely hard node, so the drill is very useful for this one. So. So with that was the last node. You see? Ha ha! Hollow. That's what you do a lot. You blow through it. So when it's all hollowed out, you can actually hear the pitch. So you can get your pitch meter. Boo. So let's hear that again. Do. So that's about C sharp. So the goal is to make this a D. So 440, hopefully. Or if because the person who ordered this flute wanted 440, so but some people like 432, so it depends. So 432 is close to C sharp, but I want to make this one a 440, so that's my goal. And there's lots to that, how to get it to pitch. All right. So next, we're going to see how to align the utaguchi cut. So you have to find your center point first. As you can see, I made a mark where the center of the bamboo is. And then you have to make a 45-degree angle. Oh. Next, we're gonna see how we align the mark up so that we could cut the utaguchi. So as you can see, I made a mark where the center of the bamboo is. Then we need to make a perpendicular line with sorry, I have to get my measuring tool out. So I have this tool, right, as you can see, or this measuring device, where I'm going to measure the perpendicular point where I'm going to cut the utaguchi down. So, one sec. See my tool? And then my device there. See, that's where I'm going to be cutting. And I'm going to be cutting just below, just at the edge where the opening is, of where I put the opening. That's my cut line. Okay? I'm going to cut it now. You see this line? Right there. So I'm going to cut straight down on that line. There we go.